Hello YouTube, it's me, StarBob White, and this is my unboxing video of my Series 4 Apple Watch. So, I'm going to do this. It's a nice little thing. First off, I'm coming from this guy, which is the Series 1 stainless steel, and so I've waited a while for to get something like this. One of the things, this is the original packaging, which comes in like a super awesome box, right? It's you know, the regular whatever, and then inside that box is this box, and that's where your watch would come in. Anyway, they didn't do that for the Series 4, and they probably haven't done that recently. I don't know with the 1, 2, or 3 series, but it literally just got here from UPS. I picked it up like about an hour ago, roughly. So here's the box. Boom. So not too bad. It's orange. I kind of prefer that. And I apologize for all the clutter at the end of my desk. You should have seen it about 10 minutes ago before I cleaned it all off. But anyways, so right out of the gate, I do like the older boxes better, but that doesn't mean that you know, anything like that. So it has a nice kind of high quality cardboard. Push it through. There's no instructions. Oh, it kind of just slides out from this end. Okay, this is probably the other band, and then it just has this box. So let's see here. And literally, I got home and I started the recording, and I got an email. That wasn't just it, that was RTDT telling me something else. But this is kind of nice. They already sent me an email with a, like, we'll help you set up the watch, which I'll probably be taking advantage of. So go Apple. Okay, designed by Apple in California, and I guess that's Hermès something, Paris, whatever. Watch Hermès something. Anyway, there's no band in that one. Here is, this is very odd. It's very like narrow, and oh, it just tells you how to like fasten the band on, but the other band is not here. I'm gonna put that, oh, we'll reorganize that later. I think the band, oh, the band's inside. So this is the Hermès band, I guess. I thought it was Hermes, like Hermes, whatever, like that Greek whatever, but it's pronounced Hermès, I guess. It's a nice band. It feels good. It's hopefully real leather. Hermès Paris bracelet, made in France is what it says here. So you know, it's a band. I guess that's why it's in that special thing. But now let's see about this watch. Okay, so the top comes off. There's like a little indentation, and or this is indentation. This is like, so that's there, and then comes like this, and this has the same kind of material that was with the band itself, so that's cool. Take that out. It's kind of neat. So with the Series 4, as you probably all know, that and the light's not right. My phone is having trouble focusing. But anyways, it has the red ring instead of the whole thing like that. So there it is. Wonder if I don't think it comes charged. Let's see. This is a lot smaller here. This button here. Oh, it is charging up. Okay, and this kind of just falls out the top. Okay, so you get that, the watch itself, and then here's the other band. I'm gonna put this down real quick. Let's see here. Oh, there it comes. That didn't take very long to turn on. You get a bunch of more papers that tell you how to do your watch. It's going to be a pain to get this all back in there where it was. And then the orange limited edition band that you get for buying the other watch. So, yeah, so just a regular silicone band. They feel great when they first get made. This part actually has a little on it, and you can't really see it unless you get like up close to it, but it says Hermès Apple Watch on it, kind of like so. There's that. It says Apple Watch English, United States, and start pairing. This is where I'd have to take out my phone and make sure this one gets taken off so I can add this one. So other than that, pretty simple. You got your charging and the power supply. So that's what you get. You got your premium band, and then you get power supply and the watch itself with the band. Anyways, I'm going to get all of this put together and tell you my first thoughts and everything like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this is kind of informative, and I'm super excited. Yeah, can't talk. I'm super excited about my Series 4. So I will talk to y'all later.